Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. I am so excited because today is the day that we are getting the next mod on the BMW M2. It feels like it's been a long time since we've modded it, but today we are getting yet another, and this one is by far one of the favorites we've done on the car to date. Now I'm just gonna break it to you guys. This is a GTS styled hood for the BMW M2, and I think it looks amazing. It's not only a mod that looks good, but it also performs because it is more lightweight than the stock OEM hood, which is like steel billeted. You're saving over 20 pounds with this hood and it looks amazing. So let me go ahead and rewind just a little bit here guys, because I captured all this footage and sadly a lot of it is not footage that I could use because the audio was so distorted and for some reason just did not work. So a couple months ago I reached out to Suvneer and we worked with them on this video right here. They sent us the hood. It came primed with like a black primer, and obviously it has to be painted white to match my car. Now I had to actually pick up this package from a cross-border shipping company because the border was closed and logistically I couldn't get it shipped across the border. It was a very strange story, but essentially I rented a U-Haul, picked up this massive box because it is a hood. It wouldn't fit in any of our SUVs or anything like that. I took it home here, got the hood unwrapped, and honestly it looked amazing from the get-go. I'm gonna put some footage up right now of what the hood looked like when I basically took delivery and unboxed it and everything, and I was so excited to get this on the car because it looks so much better than the OEM hood that comes with the BMW M2. The M2 is such a sporty, good looking car, and honestly I think it's a shame that the hood was just so basic. It doesn't have a very well pronounced power dome. It doesn't have very aggressive lines, and obviously I would have loved to see a vent in the middle as well. That just gives it such like a race car look, and that's exactly what this hood has from Suvneer. So once I actually took delivery of the hood, I had to find a paint shop that was reliable and could do a really good job. I actually ended up finding, with the help of some fellow M2 owners, a shop called M-Tech Auto in Toronto. They did a great job on painting the hood Alpine white to match my car. They did both the top and the bottom, so it's 100% painted, and they actually installed it as well for like a extra $100, and I thought, you know, why not? It's already there getting painted, they might as well also do the install for just $100, and it looked amazing. So that's kind of where I've been for the past couple of weeks. It has been such a journey to get this thing not only to Canada, but then to pick it up and then to find a paint shop, get it painted and installed, and we finally have the car and the hood. Let's take a look in daylight. Damn, look at that thing. So it has that massive power dome right down the middle. It's got these nice aggressive lines coming in this way into the hood, and as you can see, the hood itself, the vent, it's just something else. Now obviously that is open right there, but I do have the attachment or the piece for it, which is right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and install that today. I didn't want to do it yesterday because I was kind of scared that if I did put this in, it has clips on the backhand side. I was kind of scared that the paint might be fresh and that I might, you know, cause some damage on the inside. So I wanted to wait a couple days, and now it seems like the perfect time to get this in. So this is what it looks like guys when I go ahead and open it up. It's so lightweight, it's crazy. Like when I just let go of it, this thing flies up because it weighs like 20 pounds. Less than half the weight of the OEM hood. This is full aluminum. And yeah, it looks great. I mean, they painted the inside and the outside, and there's no flaws whatsoever. The hood itself came out proper, and the fitment is just so good. I have to say, it's really amazing what they did with this hood. Big shout out to Suvneer once again guys. The link will be in the description if you want to cop this for your BMW M2. They have all sorts of other parts that you should definitely check out, and for those of you who have a keen eye, you might be able to see that this and this are not a perfect color match. And don't worry, that has nothing to do with the paint. That's actually because this is PPF'd. All these panels in the front are PPF'd, and for some reason they turned like yellow. I am the second owner of this car, and so somebody before me put this PPF on. They cheaped out because this thing's turning yellow and it looks so ugly. So we're gonna remove all the PPF and then redo the whole front end with Expel. And yeah, you could tell the color difference right there, the yellowing PPF, horrible. We got to get rid of that, and it's also along the sides as well. But man, that hood is really just something else. It looks so good. The fitment's nice, honestly. I mean, this is as good as it's gonna get. Like, this is very minimal panel gap. It's even all the way throughout. I'll show you guys once again what it looks like. It's super minimal. Looks almost as good as OEM. Let me show you guys what this looks like from inside the car, because honestly it is it's quite interesting. So POV shot of me driving the car. Bam, look at that. You have this massive power dome just chilling right there. And at first I was like, dude, am I driving a Mustang? But nah, you know what, it kind of reminds me of the E92 M3. Looks really damn cool. All right guys, now for the final step, we have to go ahead and install this vent right here. Now honestly, this isn't gonna do much other than just kind of be for looks. Obviously, you know, there's a pretty significant gaps here, so rain's gonna get through, snow is gonna get through during winter as well. So maybe we're gonna put a mesh underneath this to kind of stop any kind of debris from getting in here. But anyways, I do clean my car pretty often, so it shouldn't be an issue if stuff does get into the engine bay. I believe it goes, let me see, this way. Yes. Okay, so it goes that way. It's not in, but this is what it's gonna look like, just to kind of give you guys an idea. Damn, look at that. Woo! I can't get enough, man. I really can't. This is such a good looking car now. And the only thing that I want to do now is get the M Performance styled lip. And I have to say, guys, this is one of the most ironic things that has ever happened to me. I was messaging somebody about where they got their M Performance lip from, because it looked so good on the OG M2. 3 hours later, guys, I cracked my carbon fiber front lip. It is a sign, guys. Take a look at this. It is completely destroyed. This is like separating from the top, so it's a sign that I have to go ahead and upgrade and get another carbon fiber lip. Who knows, maybe I even broke it on purpose just so I could get a new one. Okay guys, so I kind of jammed it in here. It isn't a perfect fit, but what I might end up doing is putting some double-sided 3M tape and just securing it here to make sure that this does not go anywhere whatsoever. Most of the clips are attached, as you guys can see. Let me go ahead and lower it for you guys. Most of the clips are on, but a few of them, like at the end here, they really can't go on. There's almost no room for them, so we're just gonna have to be careful and keep an eye on it. Put some double-sided 3M tape here and we are good to go. So let's close it and see how it looks now that it's done. And this is what I'm telling you guys about. Look, it just wants to pop up so fast because it's lightweight. And also, if I go ahead and drop it, obviously it's not going to close because that's just how lightweight it is. Anyways though, guys, that is going to do it for the video. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing PPF'd ASAP, and I will keep you guys updated on the M Performance carbon fiber lip, because that is something that I am looking to do really soon. This hood honestly is better than I thought it would look in person. I have to give Suvneer once again a massive shout out. If you guys are interested in this hood or any of their other carbon fiber products, any of their other hoods for their other M Performance, or I should say M2, M3, M4s, click the link in the description. They have it all, guys, and they make some really quality products. The fitment is amazing. I had no issues with the hood whatsoever. Literally the best experience that I've had with the company. So go check out the link in the description, guys. Show them some love, purchase some of their products if you're interested, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.